Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a gradient poster design in CorelDRAW. Like this. Here we are in CorelDRAW. First, create a rectangle and set the outline to none. Go to the Gradient tool and select the Interactive Fill tool. Create a gradient like this. Click the node color. Now this color box opens here. Select the eyedropper tool and pick the color. I already chose some color here. You can create your own color background. Repeat the process with the other node color. Select the circle tool and create a circle. Go to the Gradient tool and select the Interactive Fill tool. Create gradient and again repeat the process like this. Set the outline to none. Now make a copy of this circle. Go to the Gradient tool, and again repeat the process and set the color like this. Select the big circle, right-click on it, and power clip inside that rectangle. Now let's import the image. Go to the file, Import. Here I already downloaded some images. Choose any image and import it. Drag the image here. Now go to the Transparency tool. Jump to the Blend option. And set the blend mode from normal to soft light. Like this. Set the image according to your preference. Select the Shape tool and crop the image like this. Now let's add some text here. I already created some text, so I am just copying and pasting it here. This left corner, I set the day and time. Make some guidelines to set the text on this corner. Set date. You can choose any font or any details that you like. Now this footer I am setting some details like show duration, entry, or address. On this center part, set some text like Gradient Poster Design, or at the bottom of this add some DJ band names or websites like this. Now remove the guidelines or color boxes. Here is our first design ready. Let's create another design from this design. Make a copy of this design. Delete the image. Again, go to the file, Import. Select the image and import. Drag the image here. Go to the Transparency tool. Jump to the Blend option. Set the mode from normal to soft light, or you can choose another mode like overlay. It's totally up to you which blend option is fit for your design. Set the image according to your preference. Select the Shape tool and crop the image like this. Select the design and make a copy of this and simply remove the image. Here you can see our 3 designs are ready. One design with the simple gradients and 2 designs with the images. Now I will show you another example with the different color gradients. Select this design and make a copy of this. Go to the Gradient tool. Create a gradient. Click the node color. And now this color box opens here. Choose this red color. Repeat the process with the other node color. Repeat the same process with the circle too. You can create your own color. Okay, here is our new gradient design. Make 2 copies of this. Now add images here. Go to the file. Import. Choose an image and import it. Drag the image here. Go to the Transparency tool. Jump to the Blend option. Set the mode to normal to soft light, like this. Set the image according to your preference. Select the shape tool and crop the image like this. Now repeat the same process with the other design. Here you can see our 3 red gradient designs are ready. Now I will show you the last example with the different color gradients. Select this design and make a copy of this. Go to the gradient tool, create gradients. I am speeding this up to save your time. Make 2 copies of this. Now add images here. Again, repeat the same process that we did before. I am speeding this up to save your time. Now here we have our 3 different types of gradient art and 3 poster designs ready. Here we are, done. Create a gradient poster design in CorelDRAW.